So how do these heater fans, the ones that you just need heat to get going, how exactly do they work? I've got a small fire I've just lit, very cold night, and I've got two heater fans on top. I find for the size of the room that I'm in that two are sufficient. Some would argue one should be sufficient, but it is a big room and very little in the way of insulation. So I use two, and I direct them down towards the center of the room where people sit. So let's see how we go. Currently, this is stone cold. So it will take a few minutes for it to warm up. And when it does, so what takes place is you see the base of it, that heats up with the heat coming off the fire. That then transfers into those fins that you can see, these ones. And as air gets pushed through, it pushes the fans. So that is now starting to look a little bit warmer. To save a little bit on brevity, let's give that a bit of a spin. And what is taking place now is that the air is being sucked through. Because the air gets sucked through, it ends up dissipates the heat and pushes against, or at least gets channeled through the fans onto the fan, and the fan goes. Now that's the lighter of the two fans. The other one normally takes a little bit longer to start. I'm not too sure if it will or not. So as I said, that's a heavier fan, but it also pushes out more as far as the air is concerned. So roughly about another 2 or 3 seconds, and that one should be just about ready to go. Needless to say, make sure that they have got a clear area around them, and you don't have to push them to get them to start. They will start by themselves, but as I said, on this, to save on some video, I'm going to try and get that back one started as well. The front one is going like there's no tomorrow. I still haven't got quite enough heat in there yet to actually start pushing it around. You can see that it's getting closer. And they don't fasten to the heater or anything like that. They're just free floating. Just stand them up on it, and it will go. Come on, big fan. Almost. So as you can see, it's now almost there. It's sort of continuing to go, even if it's not spinning fast. And that will, of course, pick up speed as the fan itself heats up. And there we go, now it's starting to pick up speed again. Okay, so that's how they work.